One order is in this box. This is a Costco box. Second order is right here and under, you know, I got the little underneath thing for my Prius. Third order right here in this box with this little bag of chicken. Let's go to the front. Boom. Fourth order right here in this box. Fifth order in this box. You see that? That's called organized. That's called not messing up. That's called easy, stress-free delivery. Let's get it.
Bigger than expected, don't second guess it, I let it set it. It's God's plan, we out here only accepting blessings. I'm stuck with it, this mindset is terminal. In and out different terminals, leveling up is personal.
Well, I guess we're gonna have a great day today because I just got a good morning banger. It's 7:17 a.m. and I just swiped a $75 batch as my first batch. Team, run it up. Let's get it. Yo, we finished this 77 shop in 25 minutes. Quick shot, let's get it. Yo, that was a super easy order. That order was so easy. I finished it like 20 minutes ago, but I was talking to the customer for 20 minutes, like literally. I was talking to him about his cars. He was a really rich guy, and you know, whenever you get the chance to talk to the customer, talk to the customer. That's a pro tip, man. Whenever you get the chance to just interact and, you know, make them smile, make them have a better day, compliment them on their stuff, their success, their house, whatever, their cars. And yeah, whenever you get a chance, talk to the customer, because that's how you get your tips bumped up big time. And I didn't even do it for the tip to be bumped up. He was a cool guy. Like, this guy was super cool, man. Had some really cool cars, and we just was kicking it for about 20 minutes. But hey, it was a $77 batch. You know, I made my money. I'm happy. And it's only 9 o'clock. Oh yeah. Y'all know what time it is. We just swiped the $43 Costco 13 items, 4 miles. About to go ahead and crush it. Let's get it. Yo, team, run it up. Ain't nothing. Ain't nothing. Light work. Light work. We finished the shopping in 10 minutes and the deliveries in another 11 minutes. Let's get it. Gotta love buildings, huh? Gotta love them. Let's lug this stuff up. Yo, I'm starting to love boxes no matter what. Like, even if I'm not doing Costco batches, I keep Costco boxes. Look at that. All their groceries is in one box, and I'm gonna lug it up. If you haven't got your dolly already, you crazy. Look at this. I'm not playing. I told y'all I am not playing games. How you doing? Is 150 over here? 150. Thank you so much. We are not playing games. Dolly saves lives. One trip. Team one trip. Let's get it. In, coach. Put me in, coach. 67 delivery only. I hate delivery onlys. We all know the risk is high, but 67 delivery, I can't pass that up. Let's get it. What's up, brother? Yo, team, run it up. I want to show y'all why I don't play around. Let me show you how to be organized, okay? Check this out. One order is in this box. This is a Costco box. Second order is right here and under, you know, I got the little underneath thing for my Prius. Third order right here in this box with this little bag of chicken. Let's go to the front. Boom. Fourth order right here in this box. Fifth order in this box. You see that? That's called organized. That's called not messing up. That's called easy, stress-free delivery. Let's get it. I stopped early. There's 2 reasons why I stopped early. I'm gonna show you guys the first reason why I stopped early. Because it made me, I was upset. I'm upset, man. I'm upset. I can't lie, I'm upset, man. But we're gonna show you guys the first reason why. Here is the first reason why I stopped early. And it's not because I missed the 103. It's because how I missed the 103. Instacart was feeding me. They were like, here you go, Tatvar. Here, this is for you, Tatvar. Here, take it. Take it. Man, we can't hold it much longer. Here you go. Do you want it? Do you want it? And I blew it. I get to the red light. I'm sitting there, refreshing. I just did a banger. I did not expect a higher, bigger, hundo, better banger coming right after that. I just delivered a banger, and I'm like, all right, I'm probably gonna catch a quick filler batch, like a 30, 40 maybe, something, 20. Boom, I'm looking. I go to put my phone down because I seen there was a cop like coming up on the side of me, so I put my phone down like this, right? But then he turned at the light behind me. He turned way back there. He turned, so he never even made it up towards me, right? But then when I look down, boom, I refresh again, see nothing, look back up. The red light turns green. I just happen to look that, and I'm turning. I gotta turn left into the parking lot like this, like turn this way. So I had this hand actually turning this way, and then when I look back while I'm turning, I just happen to look at my phone. 103 sitting there. I said, "Oh!" The car, hit the car hit the little swivel, but I had to catch the car because I couldn't hit nobody over a $100 batch, right? I'm not gonna get no accident over a $100 batch. So I caught the car, boom. I'm turning in now. I'm turning in, but at the same time, I clicked the 103. I get into the 103. I tried to swipe it. I missed the swipe. I thought I swiped it. I missed the swipe. I get in. I swipe my thumb. I'm like, yes. I look back to make sure I turn in safely. I go to look back at the phone. It's still there. I never swiped. I said, oh! I try to swipe again. I get all the way through the swipe. Batch unavailable. Instacart said, dude, we tried. So I came home. So remember, I said there was 2 reasons why I came home. That was the first reason. There you go, right? Whatever. Let's just forget that. We're just not even going to think about that because it gets me upset. The second reason why I came home, to end this on a good note, is because we're at $900 for the week, baby. $300 a day. So even though I missed that 103, I'm still at $300 per day. Not mad. It is what it is. But I should be at 1,000. 3 days of work. Team run it up. Don't look away from that phone. I'm out.